So, you want to make money on YouTube, but don't know how?
Aww.
Well, you're in luck today, because I'll be telling you how.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Chopdan. Today I'll be telling you how to qualify for YouTube monetization. I just made this channel for explanation purpose. So you just click here and you can go to YouTube Studio. Here you see your dashboard. If you upload content, you would see the content here, but I haven't uploaded anything on this just because explanation purpose. So now you see the playlist, analyst, comment, but now my main focus is the monetization. So you would click on the monetization and you see channel monetization come up. So here you see, as a YouTuber, you need to be eligible to earn money for your videos, get creator support. To get in the YouTube Partner Program, your channel needs 4,000 public watch hours. You notice public watch hours in the last 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. Your channel will also get reviewed to make sure you follow YouTube monetization policies. Here you have a bar, it says 1,000 subscribers required, 4,000 watch hours required. Valid watch hours for currently public videos count towards YPP eligibility. That means YouTube Partner Program. Videos paid from the stories and short videos so far as part of ad campaigns are not included for YPP eligibility. This is basically saying not all videos can be used to get monetized. What is meant by public watch time? Public watch time is the total number of hours users have spent watching your channel public videos. So down here you'll see the next bar said notify me when I am eligible, and this basically, when you click on it, you'll see we'll send you an email when you are eligible to apply. The videos that are private, unlisted or deleted videos do not count towards this number. After you have completed the requirements, YouTube will send you an email saying that you can add or sign up for your Google AdSense account, and you don't have to wait until you have completed requirement to sign up for Google AdSense. You can sign up for it before and you can make money on YouTube by the ads. And when YouTube means 12 months, they are basically saying that the time you started the channel and 12 months after, you will need to get the 4,000 watch hours and the 1,000 subscribers, or you will not be eligible for monetization. At this point, I just want to thank you all guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe,